What are conversion locations in Meta ads? What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Moped Media YouTube channel. My name is Maury, and in this video, I'm going to go over what are the conversion location ads in Meta. So, when you're running ads on Facebook or Instagram, your conversion location is where the action you care about happens, like a sale, a lead, or a message. It tells Meta where to track results that will help you better target, optimize, and measure your campaigns. So, a quick overview. First of all, I'm not going to make this video too long. This is a very easy concept to understand. It's very important to understand too. But I'm going to go over first the common conversion locations. I'm going to explain it very simply. Then I'm going to go over why conversion location matters. And if you stick around, please stick around all the way to the end because I will go over a final tip. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, with conversion location, you can find it in your ads manager. So what you'll do is you'll go to your ads manager and you'll go underneath the ad set. And once you're in the ad set, you go ahead and click on edit, the little edit pencil, and then from there you're able to see your conversion location. So this is where you want to choose, this is where you choose where you want to drive sales. Okay? So the first one that we have is website and shop. You'll automatically send people where, so they will automatically send people where they think there would be most likely to convert on your website or your shop on Facebook or Instagram. Now, for website, people use this, you would use this if you want to take people to an action on your site, like buying a product, signing up for a newsletter, or filling out a contact form. So this would be best used for online stores, landing pages, and lead forms. Next, we have app. And app is similar to website and app. They're kind of the same thing. The only difference is with website and app, you're able to send people to your website or app. But when I talk about app, I'm pretty much talking about both of them for this conversion location. Excuse me. But for app, you would use this if your business has a mobile app. So this will track actions like installs, in-app purchases, or signups. So this is best used for app developers or businesses that drive sales through apps. Next, we have our message destination, which is designed to drive sales through conversions. It's designed to drive sales and conversion through Messenger and Instagram and WhatsApp. So this would be best to use for like service businesses. So if you're using chat boxes or live chats or or message campaign. And then we also have calls. Calls are meant to drive sales and conversions through phone calls. So there are plenty of local businesses that would prefer you call them. So the whole entire reason for them running ads is because they want you to call their phone or they want you to send a text so that way they can help you out. So if you are running that type of business, you might want to use the conversion location for calls. Now, if you also have a website and calls, you can drive sales and conversion on your website and through your calls. So I like how Meta gives you the option of both here. They do it for calls and website. They do it for calls and app. Now that we went over the different types of conversion location, I want to quickly go over why conversion location matters. So there's a couple reasons why. The first one is you get better targeting. So choosing the right location helps Meta show your ads to people most likely to take some type of action. Next reason, the second reason, is you have smarter tracking. So you can see which ads are working based on where the conversions are happening. So this can be via website or app or even store. The next reason is that having a conversion location improves your optimization. So Meta will actually adjust your delivery in real time to get more conversions in your chosen location. So if you choose to do the app, or if you choose to run conversions through your website or having them call, well, Meta can actually adjust that in real time so that way you're able to get more conversions that way. And last but not least, Meta conversion location offers accurate reporting. So you'll get a detailed insight on which locations drive the best results. So that way you can focus your budget on where it matters. So if you stuck around long enough, let me go over the final tip. When you're setting up your Meta Ads campaign, select the conversion location that matches your business goal. So if you don't really know or understand what I'm talking about for your campaign goal or your business goal, you have to ask yourself why. Just say, hey, why am I running this campaign? Am I trying to build awareness? Am I wanting to get traffic? Am I wanting to get engagement? Am I wanting to get sales? You need to know that even before you're selecting your conversion location. That's why it's in the ad set level. But for your campaign objective or goal, you need to come up with that when you're building out your campaign. And if you don't know what I'm talking about for campaign objective or campaign goals, I made a whole video going over the 22 types of Facebook objective goals that you can choose from. And based off of what you choose, it's going to set the tone for how your campaign is going to perform and operate. So I will leave a link in the description for that, but you want to keep in mind what your business goal is. And I also made like a guidebook on how to choose the right campaign goal or objective based off of what you're trying to get out of running the ad. So I made a whole downloadable guide. Hopefully that will help you out. But it's important to remember that having a conversion location it's probably the number one step in improving your performance, your tracking results to get more clarity, and to get better returns on your ad spend. So with that being said, be sure to check out all that below. Be sure to check out the 22 different types of campaign objectives. Also, be sure to check out how to pick out your campaign objective and things like that. And with that being said, hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know. I would love to help you out. And also, if you are running your Meta ads and you need some help, or you're looking for a freelancer, depending on your business, type, I would be more than glad to help you out. Just reach out to me. I'll probably leave my LinkedIn or leave my Calendly down below. But you can check it out. Hit me up. With that being said, I will get done rambling off. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Peace.